What up guys, it's Adrian from YouMotorcycle, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to take the back wheel off of the 2012 BMW G650GS. You can use this for if you're replacing chains, sprockets, if you're replacing the back, brake rotor, anything like that. And this is going to apply to pretty much any or most motorcycles that are chain drive. So even if you don't have a BMW G650GS, this might still help you. Obviously I got the bike on my Black Widow table lift, and I have this little stand which is going to lift up from underneath the frame. So I adjust that into position, spin this. Perfect. So first thing we want to do is just loosen up the back axle. If you're familiar with adjusting your chain, you should know how to do this. On this bike, it's a 24 mil on this side and a 19 mil on the other side. And eventually you might start to see that this one will start to spin. We can go ahead and pretty much take that off completely. And the washer too. On the G650GS, you're going to want this Torx T40, and you're going to want to equally turn these on both sides. So that's 1 half, 2, 3, 4, etc. 2, 3, etc. Now we're going to want to slide this tire forward so we can get the chain off. Personally, I just use a rubber mallet. You guys might find that taking the chain guard off just gives you a little bit more space to work with. And then what we're going to do is hold this up and just try and get it to come off of the chain as we turn it. And there we go. So now the only thing that's really holding this bike, this tire still in place, is this axle right here. So we're going to whack it with a rubber mallet to get the axle out on that side, and then everything should just drop right out. Excuse me, can I pass by please? I'm just going to use a steel rod because I'm having a hard time getting this to fit through. But basically, here's what we're going to try. This should be lubricated. It is totally dry. So that's your problem. Now, there we go. And that's not really how you do it, but that's how you do it when it's stuck. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks guys. If you like this video, please hit like. I got a video coming up on 10 reasons why I think the G650GS is an absolutely awesome motorcycle. So hit subscribe if you want to see that. Thanks for watching. Peace.